Hey everyone, it's 5 things here, and let's be real. We all wish we had a little more cash saved up. Saving money doesn't have to be complicated. In this video, I'm sharing 7 proven tips to help you save faster than ever. From small daily habits to smart financial strategies, these tips will transform the way you handle your finances. Stay with me until the end for a bonus tip that will supercharge your savings journey. Alright, let's kick things off with the foundation of any solid financial plan, knowing where your money is going. You wouldn't believe how many people are clueless about their spending habits. They get paid, swipe their card a bunch, and then wonder where it all went. Don't be that person. For the next 30 days, I challenge you to track every single dollar you spend. And I mean every dollar. That daily coffee, that impulse Amazon purchase, even that pack of gum. It might sound tedious, but trust me, awareness is key. Luckily, we live in a digital age with tons of tools to make this super easy. Apps like Mint or YNAB, You Need a Budget, can link to your bank accounts and automatically categorize your spending. You can see exactly how much you're spending on groceries, transportation, entertainment, and everything in between. But it's not just about tracking, it's about understanding. Once you have a month's worth of data, sit down and analyze it. Are you surprised by any categories? Are there areas where you can easily cut back? Maybe you realize you're spending $100 a month on takeout coffee. That's $1,200 a year. This exercise is all about identifying those little leaks in your budget. Once you know where your money is going, you can start plugging those leaks and redirecting that cash flow towards your savings goals. Remember, knowledge is power, and in this case, it's financial power. Let's be honest, saving money isn't always the most exciting thing. It can feel restrictive, like you're constantly saying no to things you enjoy. But it doesn't have to be that way. Let's inject some fun into saving by turning it into a challenge. Think of it like a game. A savings challenge can provide that extra bit of motivation and make the process more engaging. There are tons of different challenges out there, so find one that resonates with you. One popular option is the Save $5 a Day challenge. It sounds simple, but over a year, that adds up to over $1,800. You can gradually increase the amount as you get comfortable. Another great option is the 52-week money challenge. You start by saving just $1 in week 1, then $2 in week 2, and so on, increasing the amount each week for a year. By the end, you'll have saved over $1,300. The key here is to find a challenge that fits your income and lifestyle. Don't be afraid to get creative and come up with your own challenge. You can even turn it into a friendly competition with friends or family. Remember, saving money doesn't have to be boring. By gamifying the process, you can make it more enjoyable and stay motivated to reach your financial goals. We're all creatures of habit, and sometimes relying on willpower alone to save money just doesn't cut it. That's where automation comes in. It's like setting your savings on autopilot so you don't even have to think about it. Think about it. How often do you get paid and immediately spend a good chunk of it before it even has a chance to reach your savings account? We've all been there, but with automation, you can flip the script. Most banks offer automatic transfers, so you can set it up to automatically move a certain amount of money from your checking account to your savings account on a regular basis. You can choose to do this weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, depending on your pay schedule. The beauty of automation is that it takes the emotion out of saving. You don't have to actively decide to transfer money each time. It just happens automatically in the background. It's like paying yourself first. Start small if you need to. Even automating just $25 or $50 per paycheck can make a significant difference over time. As you get used to it and your income grows, you can gradually increase the amount. Remember, the goal is to make saving money as effortless as possible. By automating your savings, you'll be surprised at how quickly your nest egg grows without even lifting a finger. Let's talk about impulse buys, those sneaky little budget killers that can derail even the most disciplined saver. We've all been there. You're browsing online, scrolling through social media, or walking through the mall, and bam, you see something you just to have. It's usually not even something you need. It's just a sudden urge, fueled by clever marketing or a fleeting desire. And before you know it, you've whipped out your credit card and added another item to the ever-growing pile of stuff you probably didn't need in the first place. But here's the good news. There's a simple but incredibly effective strategy to combat those impulse buys. The 24-hour rule. It's exactly what it sounds like. Before making any non-essential purchase, give yourself a 24-hour cooling-off period. During those 24 hours, don't buy the item. Instead, step away and really think about it. Do you actually need it? Will it add value to your life? Or is it just a fleeting desire that will fade as quickly as it came? You can even write down the item and the price. Often, the act of writing it down can help you rationalize the purchase. You might find that after a day, you don't even want the item anymore. The 24-hour rule is a powerful tool to break the cycle of impulsive spending. It allows you to make more mindful purchasing decisions and ensures that your hard-earned money is going towards things that truly matter to you. In today's digital age, there are countless ways to save money without drastically changing your spending habits. One of my favorite strategies is using cashback and reward apps. Think of it as getting paid to shop. There are tons of great apps out there, but some of my personal favorites include Rakuten and Honey. These apps partner with thousands of retailers, both online and in-store, to offer you cashback or discounts on your purchases. It's surprisingly simple. Before you make a purchase, just open the app and see if the retailer is listed. If so, activate the cashback offer or apply the discount code, and that's it. You'll earn a percentage of your purchase back, which can add up quickly, especially on larger purchases. Some apps even offer bonus cashback during certain times of the year or for specific retailers. It's like getting a little bonus just for shopping like you normally would. Another great thing about these apps is that they often have browser extensions, so you can automatically apply coupons and activate cashback offers without even leaving the retailer's website. It's super convenient and ensures that you never miss out on potential savings. So why not get rewarded for your everyday spending? Start using cashback and reward apps today and watch your savings grow effortlessly. Let's be honest. We live in a world of subscriptions. From streaming services to music apps to monthly subscription boxes, it's easy to get caught up in the convenience and variety they offer. But all those recurring monthly charges can really add up and put a dent in your savings goals. It's time to take control and declutter your digital life. I challenge you to review all your subscriptions right now. Go through your bank statements, credit card statements, and even your PayPal account to identify every single recurring payment. You might be surprised by how many subscriptions you're actually paying for. Do you really use all those streaming services every month? Are you still getting value out of that gym membership you rarely use? Once you have a clear picture of your subscriptions, it's time to be ruthless. Cancel anything you don't use regularly or that doesn't bring you joy. Remember, every dollar you save on unnecessary subscriptions is a dollar you can put towards your financial goals. And here's a pro tip. If you're on the fence about canceling a service, try putting it on hold for a month or two. You might find that you don't even miss it, and you'll save some money in the process. I get it. Eating out is convenient and fun. There's something so satisfying about not having to cook or clean up. But let's be real, eating out all the time can absolutely destroy your budget. Those restaurant meals and takeout orders add up way faster than you think. Here's the thing. Cooking at home is not only significantly cheaper, but it's also healthier and can be a really enjoyable experience. You have complete control over the ingredients, portion sizes, and flavors. Now, I'm not saying you have to become a gourmet chef overnight or give up eating out entirely. Start small. Challenge yourself to cook at home just a few times a week at first. One of my favorite ways to make cooking at home even easier is meal prepping. Spend a few hours on the weekend preparing a big batch of healthy meals for the week. This way, you have grab-and-go options ready to go when you're short on time. And hey, if you really enjoy eating out, try making it a special occasion treat rather than a regular habit. This way, you'll appreciate it even more and be more mindful of your spending. So there you have it, 7 powerful tips to help you save money faster than ever. Remember, saving money isn't about deprivation. It's about making smarter choices that align with your financial goals. Which tip will you try first? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to help others on their savings journey. And as promised, here's your bonus tip. Increase your savings rate every time you get a raise. It's the easiest way to save more without feeling the pinch. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.